If you're wondering how to actually transfer your money and withdraw it from BlockDag X1 as see from here, it's actually not possible till today. As see from here, the app is still in the beta version, so all you can do right now is to just install these apps and start the mining phase. So it's actually still in the mining phase, so you can just collect as much coins as you can. Also, you can focus on making the KYC verification on the app. So try to verify yourself on the app through your ID and stuff like that to actually prepare for the next phase where the wallet and the mainnet actually release. So in that time you will have everything ready, KYC, a lot of coins in the app, and then you can actually withdraw it to your wallet and transfer it to other wallets and stuff like that. You can just click on here to download it on Android or iPhone as see from here. So now it will give you the APK version. You can just use it on your phone to get more coins for a BlockDag X1. And as more coins as you get, the more money that you will have in mainnet when the mainnet release. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.